Have you ever felt lost, unsure of what you want to do in life? Perhaps you feel a bit stressed or even completely desperate when thinking about your career path. Whether you are young or old, finding your passion as soon as possible is extremely important. But remember, it's never too late to start pursuing what you truly desire, even if you haven't figured out exactly what that is yet. Discovering your passion can have a profound impact on your mental health and overall well-being. When you find something that truly ignites your soul, it can provide a significant boost in motivation and fulfillment. Pursuing your passion gives you a sense of purpose and direction, driving you to set goals and work towards achieving them with enthusiasm and determination. Moreover, finding your passion can lead to increased happiness and reduced stress levels. Engaging in activities that you are passionate about can bring joy and a sense of accomplishment, which in turn can elevate your mood and overall satisfaction with life. By immersing yourself in something you love, you are able to escape from the daily stressors and pressures, allowing you to unwind and recharge mentally, physically, and emotionally. Furthermore, there is a strong connection between passion and improved mental clarity and focus. When you are passionate about something, your mind becomes more focused and alert, enabling you to concentrate better and make clearer decisions. This heightened sense of mental clarity can help you navigate challenges more effectively and approach tasks with a fresh perspective, leading to increased productivity and success in your endeavors. Finding your passion is not just a hobby or interest. It is a powerful tool for enhancing your mental well-being and overall quality of life. By embracing your passion and incorporating it into your daily routine, you can experience a profound sense of fulfillment, happiness, and mental clarity that can positively impact every aspect of your life. Having a well-defined passion in life can connect you with like-minded individuals, fostering new friendships and valuable connections. These relationships can propel you toward greater success and bring you emotional peace, helping you climb the ladder of achievement. With that said, let's explore the phases necessary to finding your calling in life. Keep in mind that this process could either take a few days or a few years, depending on your ability to explore and try out new things. Exploration phase. Self-reflection. Embarking on a journey of self-reflection is a crucial step in identifying your interests, values, and strengths to uncover your passion. To kickstart this process, consider incorporating journaling or meditation into your daily routine. These practices can help you delve deep into your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to gain clarity and insight into what truly resonates with you. Remembering what brought you joy as a child is a powerful way and the first step to reconnect with your passions, as they often reveal themselves most clearly in our early years. For instance, when I was a kid, I loved playing with Legos. I would build cities, houses, cars, and I would even make my own unique creations. I would visualize these projects in my mind, and then I would try to bring them to life. Now, as an adult, I specialize in robotic construction and 3D design, continuing to turn my childhood dreams into reality. As you engage in self-reflection, prompt yourself to recall past experiences and activities that have brought you joy or fulfillment. Reflect on moments where you felt most alive, engaged, and in your element. These instances can serve as valuable clues to uncovering your passion and guiding you towards activities that align with your authentic self. Additionally, seeking feedback from trusted individuals can provide valuable insights into your unique qualities and strengths. Reach out to friends, family members, mentors, or colleagues and ask them to share their observations about what sets you apart and what they believe you excel in. Their perspectives can offer a fresh and objective viewpoint that may reveal aspects of yourself that you may not have fully recognized. By engaging in self-reflection, journaling, meditation, and seeking feedback from others, you can gain a deeper understanding of yourself and begin to unravel the layers of your passions and interests. This exploration phase is a crucial part of the journey towards discovering your true calling and living a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life. Research and experimentation. Exploring a variety of activities and interests is key to uncovering your passion and finding what truly lights you up. To kickstart this exploration process, Consider trying new hobbies, volunteering, or taking classes in areas that pique your curiosity. By exposing yourself to diverse experiences, you open yourself up to new possibilities and opportunities for self-discovery. Begin by selecting a topic that genuinely interests you and immerse yourself in activities related to that subject. From there, explore related topics that captivate you even more, and continue this journey until you reach a point where your pursuits deeply resonate with your soul. Remember, this process can be lengthy and demands a lot of dedication. Step out of your comfort zone and embrace new challenges. Growth and self-discovery often occur outside of our comfort zones, where we are pushed to confront our fears, try new things, and expand our horizons. Embracing discomfort and uncertainty can lead to breakthroughs in understanding what truly resonates with you and where your passions lie. Highlighting the value of persistence and resilience is crucial in the journey of finding your passion. Not every new activity or interest you explore will immediately resonate with you, and that's okay. It's important to stay committed, keep an open mind, and be willing to adapt and evolve along the way. Persistence in the face of challenges and setbacks is what ultimately leads to breakthroughs and moments of clarity in uncovering your true passion. By engaging in research and experimentation, trying new activities, stepping out of your comfort zone, and embracing persistence and resilience, you can navigate the journey of self-discovery with curiosity and openness. Each new experience brings you closer to uncovering your passion and living a more purposeful and fulfilling life. Alignment with purpose. Aligning your passion with your values and long-term goals is essential for living a fulfilling and purpose-driven life. Evaluating whether your passion aligns with your personal values and beliefs is a crucial step in ensuring that your pursuits are in harmony with who you are at your core. When your passion aligns with your values, you experience a sense of authenticity and integrity in your actions, leading to a deeper sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. Emphasize the importance of setting clear goals and creating a vision for how your passion can contribute to your life is key in guiding yourself towards a purpose-driven path. By defining specific objectives and outlining how your passion can align with your long-term aspirations, you can create a roadmap for success and fulfillment. Having a clear vision provides direction and motivation, propelling you towards your goals with purpose and determination. Highlighting the benefits of living a purpose-driven life for mental health and overall satisfaction underscores the transformative power of aligning passion with purpose. When individuals are engaged in activities that resonate with their values and contribute to their long-term goals, they experience a greater sense of meaning, fulfillment, and happiness. Living a purpose-driven life can enhance mental well-being, boost self-esteem, and cultivate a sense of contentment and satisfaction in all aspects of life. By aligning passion with values, setting clear goals, and living a purpose-driven life, you can unlock your full potential, experience greater fulfillment, and create a meaningful impact on yourself and those around you. With that being said, the journey of finding your passion is not just about discovering a hobby or interest. It is a transformative process that can positively impact your mental health and overall well-being. By aligning your passion with your values, setting clear goals, and living a purpose-driven life, you can experience a profound sense of fulfillment, happiness, and clarity that can enhance every aspect of your life. We have highlighted the numerous benefits of uncovering your passion, including increased motivation and fulfillment, reduced stress levels, improved mental clarity and focus, and a greater sense of purpose and direction. Embracing your passion can lead to a more meaningful and satisfying life, where you feel truly alive and engaged in your pursuits. Start your journey of self-discovery and exploration today. Engage in self-reflection, try out new activities, step out of your comfort zone, and persist in your pursuit of uncovering what truly ignites your soul. By taking proactive steps towards finding your passion, you can unlock your full potential and create a life that is aligned with your authentic self. If you found this content valuable and are eager to continue your personal growth journey, consider subscribing for more insightful content on personal development and self-discovery. Love, see you next time.